Given that a equals to 3, b equals to -5, and c equals to 6, evaluate the following expression. All right, so let's go ahead. So ab square minus ac. All right, so always remember when you're going to replace the variables with the actual values, remember to put them in brackets. So a is 3, b is -5, so -5 square, minus a is 3, and c is 6. All right, so we still have a -5 square, so we'll focus on that first. So what is -5 square? So -5 square is -5 times -5. Minus times minus will be plus, and 5 times 5 will be 25. So this will be 25 minus 3 into 6. Okay, so now we can go ahead to multiply the bracket. So 3 times 25 will give me 75. 3 times 6 will give me 18. So 75 minus 18 will give me 57. All right, thank you.